Right, following on from my last video about my van, going to redo it. I have taken out the cooker unit, and in the meantime I've managed to trace, well no, I didn't trace it, track it down. I've been looking for a swivel base for this van since the day I bought it. Never been able to find one, and funny enough, popped one up on Facebook yesterday. A company called Caravans now does a swivel base for the 2 seats, passenger seats. So today I took out the bulkhead, so there's no bulkhead now. Now here's my thing. I've been looking on YouTube today to try and see how people cope with these really over the top curves, twists and bends, so I can do a decent piece of paneling here. And nobody, all the videos on YouTube about converting a Vauxhall Vivaro van, first of all that they're the older versions of rather than this version, and nobody shows at all how they've actually put any form of battening or anything. So I'm going to try and do this and try and make a video that explains to anyone in the future how I've managed to deal with all these really straight, awful curves. Look at all these indentations in here. It just goes in and out, round and round and round. So I'm going to try and do a more explanatory video for future references for anybody else who wants to do this particular model of van. But so far so good. It's all empty, the front end, so my swivel base will be turning up tomorrow, so I'm not stripping all this lot out just yet. I'm going to put my swivel base in tomorrow and I'm going to film that and see how I'll get on, and then I'll carry on with the rest. First thing I'll do is try and figure out how to do that piece there before I start thinking about carpeting. It's going to be interesting. Watch this space.